Hey Teresa, my name is Brandon again. In this video, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Um, Now, most likely, you're sitting there wondering why would I be doing this and what's in it for me. Well, you're lucky because I do read minds, and the answer is that oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have in hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Now, I've found that by giving people an easy, free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulting in a lot of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, you know what, I like what you're doing, Brandon. Please do this for me. So, if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I've got a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business out, go ahead and just send me a message and we can try and set up or set up a Zoom meeting or something like that and get to know each other a little bit better. Otherwise, if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan and start implementing it yourself, by all means, please do so. This is definitely um, got some great tools that you can use to really start to help you rank on Google. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing that you want to do is, or the first thing we want to talk about is content. Now, to be optimized on Google, we suggest having at least 1,500 words on your homepage, and and I know that you had mentioned you're just getting started with this, and so I know you're still working on it, but just wanted to kind of give you an idea of what you can do as you're working on this. So, looking at your homepage, it looks like you've got about 250 words. If we want to jump over, I believe this is probably going to be one of your competitors. I couldn't remember where in California you lived, so um, I just was searching under fish tank cleaning services in California. But this is one of the top guys that showed up here. It's the fish guy out of Sacramento. He has roughly about 800 words on his site that is helping him to rank up at the top of this keyword. Um, so you may wonder, why is content important? The reason this is if you think about it, people jump onto Google every day and they're searching for different keywords. And the more content you have on your website, the more keyword rich content you have, the more likely that they are to end up on your site, and then um, you have the opportunity to convert them into a customer. So this is why content is so important, because when Google is crawling your site, it doesn't. All it cares about is content, and that's how it uses its algorithm to rank you, is based on your content and your keywords. So that's going to be the first thing you want to focus on. Second thing you want to focus on is what's called citations. So I don't know about you, but whenever I search on Google, I often will see what Google calls is this map pack. So often, if you're searching for uh, pretty much anything business related on Google, if there is a business or if there's a couple of businesses in the area that are related to whatever you're searching for, um, you'll often see this map pack. And I'm sure you're wondering, how do I get into that map pack? Well, I do read minds, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you. Uh, Basically, what it comes down to is what are called citations. Now, a citation is your name, your address, your phone number on different directories throughout the internet. So, for example, Yext or Yelp or Yellow Pages or even Facebook, all these different places where you've got an opportunity to put down your business information helps you to rank higher on Google. It gives you more authority, and even more so to rank on their map pack, which is really key for a local business owner. I don't know about you, but whenever I search on Google, Say, for example, I'm looking for a place to eat. I often don't go past that map pack. If I'm looking for Chinese and I throw that into Google, I'm probably picking one of those top three Chinese places, and that is gold as far as being a small business owner, is to get into that map pack and get into those top three. So that's going to be the second thing you want to focus on is citations. And one way you can check on this, this is a free tool you can use called WhiteSpark, and you can actually see how many different citations you have on the internet, and as well as your competitors. So, for example, right here, it looks like you're pulling up 12 different citations, and this guy's pulling up 8. So you're doing better than him right there. So that's awesome. Um, and then let's go ahead and jump into the third thing, which is called link juice, or a lot of people know it as backlinks. Um, and this is a tool that we use called Ahrefs, where we can look up some of this information. Obviously, like you said, I know you just barely got your site up, so we don't have any information there. But let's go ahead and jump back over to your competitor here. This is some of the things that some of the information regarding some of his keywords, domains that are linking back to him, and then his backlinks as well. So he doesn't have a whole lot, but just to kind of explain what a backlink is, if you've got two different sites, you've got site A, site B. Site A is going to point to site B with a link, and basically it is passing authority to site B, and that is giving uh, in on the other hand, it's also giving more legitimacy to that site on Google. Um, Now, all backlinks are not created equally. There's a lot of backlinks that you can get out there that are just kind of spammy backlinks. And one way to kind of differentiate the two, if you've got say, an aquarium or something like that, and their site is actually linking to your guys' site and saying, this is a great cleaning service, we use them, blah, blah, blah. For Google, that's huge because an aquarium and a fish tank cleaning site, those two going together, that's going to really increase your ranking. On the other hand, if you've got a site about puppies or something like that, linking back to that's not really related to fish or tank cleaning or anything like that. So that could actually drop your ranking on Google. So it's really important to get these links set up to your site, and we want quantity, but we even more so want quality. So that's going to be the third thing. So just to recap real quick, first thing that you want to focus on is going to be content on that front page, at least 1,500 words to be optimized. And then we also suggest having 500 to 700 words on any back pages that you create for your services, and that's going to help them rank as well. Second thing that you want to focus on is going to be your citations, getting your name, your address, your phone number out there to as many directories as possible, and so that you can continue to increase your rankings on the Google Map Pack and get onto that front page there. And then finally is going to be those backlinks. We want quantity as well as quality. And then as we get those, that's going to help you to really start to get up there on the different keywords that people are searching for. So you may be asking, what do we do now? At this point, you are welcome to go ahead and just take this free attack plan and start implementing it. If you are interested in working together, I'd love to sit down with you and we can talk about an attack plan and look at some options. Otherwise, like I said, just go ahead and start implementing this, and I look forward to seeing things take off for you. Thanks so much, Teresa, and we'll talk to you soon.